Hi guys, today I prepared GRE 15th Quantitative Question, and today's topic is about Numeric Entry Question. So it's kind of a new type one compared to the previous classes. So before solving the new questions, why don't we talk about what the Numeric Entry Question is, because it's a new type and it could be confusing for us. So far, we talked about the comparison mainly, or like a multiple choices. Among multiple choices, there could be, single answer or like more than two answers. And today what we are going to talk about is a numeric entry questions, which means when we encounter the new question, in that case, we have to enter an integer or a decimal in a single answer box, or to enter it as a fraction. So integer, decimal, or a fraction. So if the question asks about the fraction, in that case, we have to fill out numerator and also denominator. That's it. So only the difference is we have to find the solution or the figure or the number by ourselves, not on the basis of the choices. So it could be more difficult. However, if we analyze the questions specifically, there will be no problem. And probably we will take the GRE test mostly on the basis of computer, even though some places are using still PBT, paper-based. But most of the people will take the CBT, which means a computer-based test. So in that case, we can use the computer mouse and keyboard to enter our answers. That's it. So this is the new numeric entry question. So as always, read a question within 2 to 3 minutes and please solve it on your sheet of paper with a paper instead of only use your brain, because it could be really, beneficial when you encounter the mathematic questions in person. So let's get it, guys. Then let's read a question together and then underline or circle keyword first. One pen cost 25 cents and one marker cost 45 cents. At those prices, what is the total cost of 20 pens, and 100 markers? So what is the question asking us to get? Totally, we have to figure out the total price. Even though from the computer, it's written just $1. So what we have to figure out is the total price of pen plus, marker. That's it. So we have a, 25 cent about a one pen, and then the number of pen is 20. And then we also have a one marker cost. It was 45 cents. And then the number of the marker was 100. So we can make the formulation like this way, and what we can do else is just a calculation. So let's do that. 45, and then this one like a 5. Is it correct? Yes, right. Because, yes, right. So the total could be $50. So the answer is $50. So we can just insert 50 as an integer. Then, as a practice, let's solve a different question with the different numbers. However, it could be really similar. So if we change just the pen cost and the marker cost, and it could be like this way: 18 cents multiplied by 20 plus 50 cents multiplied by 100. In that case, $50, and then $3.6, $3.60. So the total could be $53.60. That's it. So guys, today we encountered new types of GRE quantitative questions, reasoning questions. It was numeric entry question. You mean, the terminology is just different, but so far we encountered a lot of questions that had choices. But about the numeric entry question, they don't have choices. That is the only the difference. Other than that, all the things are exactly the same. What you guys have to do is underline, analyze it. After analyzing, make your own formulation or equation. And then finally we can find the integer, decimal, or fraction. That's it. Today, as the type of the question was new, I just prepared the easiest one. However, following the next time, we will encounter a wide variety of more difficult questions. So if the content was beneficial for you guys, please click the subscription and like and alarm button, please, because it's really helpful for me to make the next video as an intrinsic motivation. Thank you guys, and then see you later. And should you have any further questions, please let me know anytime. Thank you guys.